Hi folks, I'm Wasim Mukhtar, and I am going to talk here how to start with .NET Maui. So first, you should have Visual Studio installed on your machine. It could be community, enterprise, or professional version. And if it is already installed, so just make sure to enable Maui. So I'm going to share how we can enable .NET Maui with Visual Studio Community Edition. And the same process you can follow for the others, enterprise and professional. So you have to go to the modify, and here you should have enable or you can see the .NET multi platform app UI development that is supported for .NET 1. And if this is enabled, so you should also you should also enable this ASP.NET and web development so that your .NET Maui will be installed. And also make sure if you have Android uh, and .NET Maui SDK for Android and .NET SDK for Android. So this is from the Visual Studio installer, and after checking this, you can modify this .NET Maui or the Visual Studio platform. Okay, so I have already enabled it, so that's why it's showing here. Next thing you have to the next step you have to do, you have to open the PowerShell. I'm opening the PowerShell as administrator. So I have opened the PowerShell. You have to write you have to execute a command to enable Maui. So that is .NET .NET workload install Maui. So after installing it, it will install all of the required SDK, that is Android, Mac, uh, iOS as well, and the Windows as well. It will install all the required Maui SDK on this machine. So I'm trying to install it. So I have already installed. So it is saying it is showing Workload Maui is already installed. Okay. After this process has been done, you can open the Visual Studio, create new start window. You should now able to see here the Maui project type, and when we select, you will have all Maui application type on this .NET Maui app, Blazor, class library, and you can work accordingly. So that's it from my side. So that's it from my side. We'll see you in next video. Thank you very much.